Is CashBaron really the highest paying app as it claims itself, or is it a waste of time? My name is Michael and I love testing different ways to make extra money, and I came across this app and decided to test it myself. And in this CashBaron review, I'll give you an inside look and show both the pros and the cons so you know exactly what to expect. So let's start by going over who can join, and CashBaron is an app that's available both for iOS devices and for Android devices, and I've not been able to see a list of the exact countries it's available in, but from what I've been able to find out by talking to many different people from different countries is that it's available in a lot of different countries. But the only way to know for sure is to go to either the Android store or to the App Store and see if it's available in your country. And there on that platform, it looks like that you can play to earn money. That's what it claims here in the Google Play, for example. And also it says join the highest paying app on the Play Store. So that's a bold claim because there are a lot of earning apps and I've tested hundreds of them myself. So saying that it's the highest paying app, that's a bold claim. So I decided to put that to the test. So let me now log in and then I'll give you an inside look and show exactly how it works. So I am now logged into the CashBaron app and you can see I'm on the Earn tab down here, and this is where I can find the main earning method at the time of recording this video anyways, and that is paid surveys. And you can see general approximately how long it takes and the number of points I get. We will go over the value of the points in just a bit, but overall, like how many surveys you get access to, of course, will vary from country to country and also from time to time. It does offer a decent amount of surveys, but not as many as the top paying survey apps. To be honest, I also have a video about the top paying survey apps. I will leave a link in the top corner here. But overall, it does also pay decently for the surveys. I would say around average compared to the many other survey sites that I have actually tested. But it also sometimes offers other ways to earn, and I know some people have experienced that in the past, and there might also be some options more in the future, so I also just want to talk about that. So I now jump to this Discover section, and you can see at the time of recording this video anyways, they have an announcement about the offer changes, because there used to be offer walls and where you could get paid to play different games, and I'm assuming that's why they still claim in the Google Play Store that you can play to earn, because right now it's a survey app. I can earn by taking paid surveys, but they used to have offers and different games and things like that. You could most get paid to apps and websites, but they say that right now there were some problems with it, so it's not available at the time of recording this video. Maybe by the time you watch it, it is. They say that the plan is to again introduce more earning methods, so just be aware of that. Right now, as of recording this video anyways, there's only surveys, but there should be more options available again at some point. They do not say when that will be, so I cannot say if it will already be available by the time you watch this, or if you have to wait like 7 months. We'll just have to wait and see. But before deciding if it's even worth it, let's talk a little bit more about the value of these points so you can see if it's worth your time, and also, of course, you need to know what the payout options are. So I now jump to the redeem section, and here you can see that you can get paid in PayPal, and it also has different cryptos. And I think personally it's some quite good payout options, whether you want to pay paid in crypto or cash. It has good options, and I also like it has quite a few different ways to earn cryptocurrencies. So that's always nice when we have a choice as a user to choose the method we want to use. But how much you then need to earn will depend on your chosen payout option. So the exact value of your points you earn in here will also vary. So that can be a little bit confusing. For example, you see, first of all, you need to earn $15 to cash out. So a little bit high payout threshold, but still okay. But if I want to get PayPal cash here, you can see I would need to earn 15,500. So that means that 1,000 points will approximately be $1, and there is a fee. You see 500 points fee, so like a 50-cent fee in this case. But for example, if I want to get paid in Bitcoin, you can see then I would need to pay this much because there's a higher fee. So that all depends on your chosen method. If you, for example, see Litecoin, it's something else there. Ethereum, it's also something else. USDT there, something else. Bitcoin Cash. So you see, the cryptos have more or less the same value there, but PayPal is actually the where you get the best value for your points, because they charge a lower fee for that at the time of recording this video anyways. So this is just something to be aware of. But overall, it does offer good payout options. Payout threshold could be a little bit lower in my opinion, and of course it would also be great if there was no fee, but many apps and websites like this, they do charge a fee. The fees here, for some of them, the payout options are a little bit too high in my opinion. For example, for like Bitcoin or Ethereum or USDT, there you see like here, it's almost $2 out of, like, if you earn 15 and then you need to pay $2 fee, that's just quite a bit. But you know, it's the same fee you need to pay if you wait until you earn $50, then it's still only $2. So then maybe it's better to wait until you've earned a little bit more. But of course that will take quite a bit of patience, because it's not a super fast platform to earn in my experience. So overall, I think CashBaron has both pros and cons. I do like the payout options. It's fairly easy to use. The rewards are average. Like, again, I've tested hundreds of different platforms, and I've seen higher paying apps and websites for sure, but it's not one of the lowest for sure. It's a decent app, I would say, that pays average. The main advantage of it is that it has a good amount of different payout options. Payout threshold a little bit too high in my opinion, but still it's doable, and you can actually get paid from it, but you just need to do it with the right expectations and be a little bit patient if you decide to use this. But if you decide this is not for you, I also have a list of the best PayPal earning apps and websites on my website. I will leave a link to that below. There you can go and see the best free methods to earn PayPal cash. I also have a list of the best free ways to earn Bitcoin. You can also check that out, and even also a list of the best free ways to earn Ethereum. So that's some of the popular payout options that CashBaron have. I will leave links to lists on my website below, so you can find the payout option you prefer and find the top paying sites that offer that reward in my experience. And I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.